this video, we're going to take a look at the way that page breaks work within a document. And during the course of my training, I still meet several people where the page break is still a mystery. So I thought I would create a video today to solve that mystery. As you create a document, the page breaks automatically are created when you get to the end of a document. The end of a document is determined by your page margins. Just very quickly, we are going to look at those in our document. So if you have the ruler on, you can double click the ruler. If you don't have the ruler on, then you can go to your layout on the ribbon and you can look at the margins in here. The ruler is quite useful because you can change the margins yourself. And that is on the view, the ruler, which you can turn off and on. Now, from that, I also suggest when you are looking at page breaks that you put on this little button here that it's people love it or hate it, but you don't have to keep it on. And this is the show hide. And the show hide shows you every character that you have in your document. You don't realise. So every time you press the Enter key, every time you press the space bar, the tab, everything is recorded in here, non-printing characters. So you'll be able to see in here that we've gone into our page breaks. So if I delete something above a page break, so let me just delete this picture for a moment. What happens is everything that's been underneath that page break just moves up to take its place. So what happens is with page breaks, you delete something, and if I just delete that, everything underneath it moves up again. So let's say we want to control that better. Let's say I want to put that onto the next page. You mustn't return, because what we want to do is categorically say, I want this on the next page. And I use Ctrl and Enter. And you can see here that has put in a true page break. Also, when we go in here, we can put a break in using the ribbon. So if I want to put in a break here, I can go to break and I can put in a page break. And this is simple then. It controls the document and you can see exactly where the page breaks are. And if you delete something, it will not move anything up. It keeps the page break as they are. So next time you want to make sure your long document works with page breaks, then use the actual page break and Ctrl and Enter. See you next time.